Yo guys, and welcome back to Crypto Guru channel. So guys, as you all understand, today we're gonna speak about Fndz crypto project, which is copy trading platform. And I guess there were like mainly three main points why I exactly today picked that project, because tomorrow is launch day, which means that you can really make X on it. It's gonna be listed on PancakeSwap. About it we're gonna talk in this video. Next point, why exactly I've picked that project, because I really see the great potential that project gonna have is gonna be similar, I guess, so like eToro, let's say. And the third reason is because to oversimplify your life and to explain in so really brief words what that project is, its main functions, and briefly about its social medias, roadmap, and a core team. So about it and more, we're gonna talk right in this video. So if you're not subscribing to my channel yet, dude, just come on, just do that, because my content is really a special one, because I really make so many videos about really profitable projects, crypto projects exactly, and of course about the projects which are scams. And I don't really allow people to lose their money on such projects. I really make so honest content, and that's why you have to join my crypto army right now and right here. So just come on, it's gonna take 1 sec. I really hope you're gonna do that. And after that, we're gonna dive right into Fndz crypto project. So here we go. So here we are on the Trustpad platform. And here we can see that today was a sacrifice day, which means it was a pre-sale day. It started on September 14th at 12 p.m. and it was up to 8 p.m. Let's say it's gonna be finished in 45 minutes in a recording minute. So if you want to join it, you have to get enough number of Trustpad tokens, or you had to complete those requirements. If you did so we can participate in that pre-sale. But tomorrow is the first launch day, so it's gonna be on the 15th of September and it's gonna be listed on PancakeSwap. So if you wanna really make let's say even X5, X3, depends on you, not even talking about Fndz functions and generally about its team experience and so on. So it's really pretty easy way where you can really make money on it on the first launch day. Really, when it's pumped, you just withdraw your assets and you really getting money from it. So I gotta do so, but I'm really counting on that project as one of a long-term project, and that's why I'm really gonna hold my money in that project for a really long time. So as I know, tomorrow gonna appear or on Trustpad or on its Fndz main page that contract address which you have to copy. So after that, you just switching on PancakeSwap, put in that address, contract address, but you have to just really pay so much attention whether it's really okay one, whether it's not a scam. Once it's really done, so you're just participating in that bull run and getting your money from it. So that's why Fndz crypto project might be really interesting for those who are really interested in certainly in Fndz project as as a crypto project, and of course for another part of people who are just interested and launched crypto projects where you can really initially and so rapidly make money on it and just to pay money out. So that's why tomorrow, my dear Paul, you have a great opportunity, as I, for example, to make at least like X3, I guess. So you can be sure, because it's launch day, you got it. So many people are gonna really pull that project up, and you have to catch that chance. Alright, so you got me, and now let's jump into the functions Fndz crypto project has. And generally, what's that? You have a favorite trader. I guess if you're a new one on that platform, you can really just pick at first, initially, just one favorite trader you want to follow, and you're just following him, following his doings, his experience, and of course, he's earning from it, and you're not losing money from it as well, which is profitable for you and profitable for that guy. For real, you can really compare it to eToro, which is exactly the same, which is as well social trading. You just following your favorite traders or even traders which got really profit all the time and following his doings. I don't do so, but I mean, in perspectives, it sounds really pretty awesome. So now let's take a look on the features Fndz platform has, and its trading challenges. New trading challenges are available every week, where you can as well earn from participating or placing in really top places. Or it's like has as well leadership boards, on-chain verified PNL, advertising options, and a referral system. Mainly if to talk about Fndz platform, we can really say it in so simple words, and to be accurate in just 3 words. It is follow the best, which means you can really follow the most experienced traders, or the traders you really like feel they have a gut feel and they can really make money, and as well you can make money on it. You just have no risks, or the risks are really so minimal. As well, it's easy to use and it's so transparent. And I guess those 3 main features really make this project, let's say, transparent, which means easy to use, which means one of the best, because when it's really easy to use, people really want to join it. That's what, experience show. So, and now let's dive into the next and the final part of this video, and we're gonna talk about why we have to trust this project. And as you all understand, as I've said previously in my previous video, before investing you have to take a look initially on main 3 things, and it's a core team and its devs, about roadmap, and about social medias. Exactly those 3 points are so crucial, buddy. And of course today and right now I'm gonna mention partners, because it's an additional proof that this project is really the one you have to trust, and you don't have to doubt. I mean, in terms that it's not a scam. And we're gonna start from Fndz's team, and here is like a link to everyone, to every developer, to everyone from a core team. So which means you can really click on everyone and check information about him, about his experience or her experience, and to decide whether you have to trust in it or you like have some doubts about it. So here we can see a roadmap of Fndz, and it's already done. As you all see, it's been clicked. And here we are on that stage, and it's Uniswap PancakeSwap listing. And here we can see like all the plans that project gonna have, and I guess really more and more plans gonna be added right here. So now you can understand, buddy, that it's not the final roadmap of Fndz. It's gonna be extended in a while, which means really more and more people gonna join that project. It's gonna be listed on more platforms, and we can really just hope that it's gonna be the same or even bigger platform than eToro platform is, because here we can see like it's not a typical project. Just take a look, buddy, how many members really participate in it. Really, like, dude, come on. And everyone from them is really an expert in his doings, in his work, and he has, or she has, even she has really experience in his work, so much experience, and that's why we can really just hope that that platform gonna be really as big as we can expect, and that's why we can really be millionaires. And that's why I truly hope that Fndz gonna be one of the most big platforms that could ever existed, I mean, in that crypto sphere. So, and finally, let's talk about Fndz's social medias, and let's start talking about Twitter channel, which is pretty, let's say it's just a beginning project, but that amount of followers is really growing fastly. And Fndz's Telegram channel is really growing pretty fast, and as I've checked, today was like 10,000 of members right there, and there are like almost 14,000 of subscribers, I mean members. So as I checked before recording this video, people are really trying to ask as many questions as they can, because they're really so excited about tomorrow's day, where they can really make so many acts. and admins and the devs are really trying to respond to each questions and trying to really satisfy all the people, all the investors, and all the members of Fndz's crypto project, guys. And as well, there is like pretty awesome fact, because team is really trying to be as close to people as they can, and today was a Zoom meeting, and it's right now, so it's like online one, and people really asking questions there, and Fndz's team is responding on it. And that's really pretty cool when people like can reach the devs and can ask questions really directly. That's awesome, guys. Well, if to sum it up, guys, and to give my own opinion about Fndz crypto project, about its platform and about its perspectives, well, you can really make money initially from that project. It's gonna be exactly tomorrow, so if you're watching that video, it doesn't really matter if you're interested in that project in long-term period, whether in short-term period, you can really make money both, guys. Because tomorrow is launch day, as I've explained. You just, people are trying to buy it. You can really just catch that pump, just to withdraw that X3, X4, I don't know, like, I can't say what the price is gonna be, but, you got me, if you're in crypto business, dude. And as well, to talk about long-term period perspectives, this project really has so many benefits. So I guess you got a real point of that video. If you did, just come on, smash that like, share your thoughts down below in comments, subscribe my channel, because as I said, more and more upcoming videos gonna appear this week, this month, where you can really make so many acts on such, potentially great projects. So I wish profit to everybody, and it's Crypto Guru, and see you later, guys. See ya.